So to make her do that cross, I am in this position. So let's say she's doing the planeo. I've been walking, I stop in this position, and this hand is the one that leads her into the cross. Then I continue, make her change weight, and I, with this hand also, and this hand, kind of tell her, remain here with this foot embellishing here. You can change also, you can do this. And so you have all these different possibilities. But the moment of the transition, when you want that she cross, use this hand. It's a little movement, it's more an indication. If the follower doesn't know the movement, okay, forget it.
Also, I think too, it's really helpful when, you know, Marcelo signals that change of weight, and also he's giving me a second to change my weight, because it's not just that I'm like taking another step and we continue. I'm taking another step and then I'm there. So I really have to be secure and on that foot to kind of continue that motion, yeah?
It's a little pause. From outside it doesn't look like you are stopping, but you have to consciously stop in that moment.